Welcome to Silicon Valley Asian Business Talk.
Hello, everyone. This is Roger Chen, and I am from University of San Francisco Center for Business Studies and Innovation in Asia Pacific. And Dr. Liu, welcome to our interview program, and we want to thank you for supporting us. Would you please briefly introduce yourself?
Thank you, Roger. It's an honor to be invited to this forum. I do think what you do is very important to really record the stories of Asian American entrepreneurs, scientists, technologists for their contribution to the world. So thank you. Myself, my education background is that I got my college education from Beijing University in cell biology and genetics. And then I got my PhD degree in biochemistry and molecular biology from Berkeley, from Cal. My professional history is that after my PhD, I worked at a biotech company called Chiron, which got acquired by Novartis 10 years later for $10 billion. That is back in 2006. So at Chiron, I worked in the oncology novel drug discovery group. And so after the acquisition, I started a new career. So I founded the company Eureka Therapeutics, which is now a clinical stage company developing cancer immunotherapy treatment for multiple cancers.
What my journey taught/changed me as an entrepreneur.
Do you have any kind of memorable lessons or mistakes, from your a long journey of an entrepreneur that you would like to share? Because I always find those mistakes are, very, very interesting for people to learn.
Yeah, I would say I've been doing lots of research. Our company the business could have been more successful. Business could be more successful. Several chances for the company to be more successful in business, but I missed those windows, opportunities. I think that is a big lesson. I think I put too much emphasis or priority on science, technology, on the drug development part. Because I'm so arrogant, so committed to finding a cure of cancer, I didn't put enough weight or importance of business success. I should have.
So that's a big lesson.
I could have and should have.
Okay. That's good. So relating to this, relating to this question, could you elaborate your change from the early days, almost like, the difference between inexperienced, naive Dr. Liu in the early years versus today, very experienced, wise Dr. Liu in building new venture companies? What would be the difference if you just a comment on those changes of your personal journey dealing with the managing or building the new venture company?
I think this first of all, you have to start from yourself. I think my biggest change is twofold. One is you really need to know your weakness and accept it and be comfortable with it. That since you can't do it, that you suck. Those sense. And so you accept it. You be more humble about it. In my early days, I feel like I can do anything. I'm good at everything. I can do anything. No, it's not true. Certain things you're just not good at, and you don't like to do, and you also have blind spots. So I think that's the biggest change of is really see your weakness, what you're not good at, and also knowing your limit, things that you can do. There is a limit to everything, to everybody, and you have to know where is your limit. I think finally I see I'm a defective in multiple ways. So now I understand. So, but because of that, you're actually feeling more comfortable and more confident on what you're good at. Right. So then because of this, then after this, you focus on doing what you're good at, and then find team player, teammates, people you can work with, and companies you can partner with, or institutions you can collaborate with to really make up your deficits.
Yeah.
But the first part is pretty hard for me to, especially people like us to say, oh, you suck at this. Cheng, you are just bad in this. Accepting that is a very painful process.
I think that's very, very good. So in other words, actually understand your weakness. And yeah, I think that makes a lot of sense, especially this kind of a reflection is very valuable for young entrepreneur,
Right.
Who tend to be hungry, edgy,
And yeah, and too arrogant. But you say you see through, oh, you can, but their weakness, other people can see. 旁观者清, right? People can see.
Right.
It doesn't really help if you don't see your own problem.
Thank you for watching.